Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNCA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the day today, and as far as just summarizing this, and now when I make this comment, I'm not directing it towards the company. I'm just directing it towards how the price acted today. So from a price action perspective, this was a total pump and dump. If you're not sure what a pump and dump means, all that means is that a price makes a great move. And yeah, that move was awesome. But then within a relatively small amount of time, and considering this all happened in the exact same day, I think we'd all agree this happened in a relatively small amount of time. The price goes back to where it started and sort of comes sometimes lower. And yeah, it essentially went all the way right back to where it started. I mean, when you look at where it closed here and you correspond that over, basically right where it was. But this also creates a very interesting tradable opportunity going forward. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for an extended period of time, I'm sure you've seen price actions like this where, you know, their pump and dumps, price goes up and then gets hammered back down. And then there can be some very nice bounces that occur. Now, when I say bounce, I don't mean it's going right back up to $4. But even if it goes up, you know, to $3 or something like that, that could still be a nice little bounce there. But the main level here now going forward, definitely going to be right at 140 because that's essentially where the price bottomed out at. And that is going to be a level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching and wondering, you know, is this finally some sort of bottom that's forming? Because at least the price has started to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price got destroyed and then started to go sideways does not mean, oh, so that must mean this is the bottom. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is it's at least a logical, a valid thought to have that maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom that could create some sort of upwards move to the downside. But on the flip side of things, this could just be a temporary breath before the price goes there. And at that point, the price would literally be right back to where it was in that range, which would essentially be the nail in the coffin for the pump and dump. But yeah, definitely a pump and dump today, but now it's just a question of can we get some sort of dead cat kind of knee-jerk reaction bounce to the upside? Let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.